This is the mail I received from App Store stating that there are a few missing API declarations in the project. So it is under 4 different categories, that is file timestamp, disk space, user defaults and system boot time. So in order to fix this, we will have to open a project in an Xcode version which is greater than 15. So here my current Xcode version is 15.2, and inside that main project folder, right click on it, click on new file, scroll down, and under the resource category we have app privacy. Select that and click on next. By default we will have the name privacy info, keep it as such and select the target and click on create. So this is our app privacy configuration. So we need to add 4 different categories under 4 issues which is mentioned here. So we will click on plus, and under this we will select privacy access to API types, which is the issue mail we have received, and inside that items again add, okay, we will have 2 options, API type and API reasons. So the API type is the different categories, that is for file stamp, disk storage, etc. So for instance I will select file timestamp now. For every API type we have defined here, we will have to give a reason as to why we are using it in our project. So again click on plus and select reasons. Reasons is also a drop down which gives a number of options as to why we are using this in our project. So to get a better understanding of these options, we will have the explanation in a developer site, app developer site. So select one which is more relevant to your project. For my project I am choosing this option, that is I am using file timestamp to access the timestamp or size of the file. So I will click on option. So similarly, let's say we will add one more item, click on plus, type, and the type I will be choosing is user defaults. Again, once we have added the type, we will have to add a reason to why we are using user defaults in our project. So again I click on plus, I will select reasons, expand it, and from the drop down I will select why I am using user defaults. So continue this process until we add all the 4 issues that is mentioned in the mail.